another suggestion I put before the forum was that there should be a special assembly session called. So I think they had already decided about it. I had called it. I had asked for the 3-day session, but maybe there would be a 1-day session. And I have suggested that there should be a memorial in the name of the deceased people, the killed people in Pahalgam, and I think that too has been accepted in principle. Then I suggested that there should be as the highest level of the civilian award for bravery that should be given to posthumously to Shaheed Sayyid Abid Hussain. So that also has been agreed to. Moreover, I suggested, though which was suggested by others also, that the safety and security of the students of Jammu and Kashmir and the citizens who are all across the country should be taken care of, and the union government should be talked about it, and the respective states where these people are, they should also be told that they should ensure the safety and security of our people.
Tourism has been hit the most. Was there anything discussed regarding how to save the tourism industry?
I don't think we should put it bracketed in tourism. It is much beyond tourism. We have seen tourism getting affected, but we have then seen the revival of the tourism also. This is a bigger tragedy than tourism. I don't think that we should focus on the tourism. We should focus on the humanity. We should focus on the integrity of the country, and we should focus on the safety and security of our people. And we should see to it all in one. By having our collective wisdom, we should see that such things don't happen again and again. Sorry, I couldn't.
The militants doing the infiltration from the line of control. How you are looking the security?
See, that is the security angle. That is for the army to see. That is for the union government to see. I don't think it is proper. It would be appropriate for me to comment on the security scenario at this moment. There might be questions within questions, but at the moment we would not like to politicize the issue.